This video is captured on a dashcam in California. James Shaw Jr., a self-proclaimed auto enthusiast, cherished his Subaru Forester and frequently embarked on joy rides across California. On January 4, 2015, James was on a scenic journey through the San Gabriel Mountains in Los Angeles County, approaching a pair of tunnels. His anticipation heightened, for the echoes within the tunnels enhanced the symphony of his car's exhaust. Oblivious to the sharp turn that awaited him right after the second tunnel, James accelerated, inadvertently succumbing to the perils of excessive speed. Consequently, he lost control of his vehicle and hurtled perilously close to the edge. Remarkably, a fortuitous drain pipe protruding from the slope intercepted his car's descent, preventing a potentially fatal plunge down the mountainside. To his astonishment, James emerged from the incident unscathed, unharmed by the crash that had been captured on his dashcam. Turning off the engine, he cautiously stepped out onto the drain pipe, subsequently making his way back up to the road where he promptly called for assistance. Number 2. Encountering a sudden attack. On June 2, 2022, in Australia, a driver captured a harrowing incident on their front and rear dash cameras. It was around 5 p.m. when the driver pulled up to a red light, intending to make a left turn. In the rear-facing camera, a Mercedes came to a stop right behind the driver's vehicle. Suddenly, the driver's side door of the Mercedes swung open, and a man emerged, rapidly approaching the vehicle while holding a metallic object. Fortunately, the driver happened to be glancing at the rearview mirror, allowing them a moment to react swiftly. To evade the potential threat, the driver veered off the road, traversing a patch of grass and passing 3 cars ahead. Meanwhile, the man with the Mercedes was left stranded in the middle of the road. The individual who uploaded the footage remains uncertain about the man's intentions. Although it is plausible that the Mercedes driver may have been offended by an earlier incident on the road, no evidence supporting this hypothesis was found in the footage. The man's motives, whether an attempted robbery or something more sinister, remain unknown. Number 3. Forest caught on fire. On August 1, 2021, a forest fire ignited in California, later dubbed the Antelope Fire, believed to have been triggered by lightning strikes. In the subsequent days and weeks, the fire rapidly gained momentum, spreading across the region. Multiple fire truck brigades were dispatched to the area in an attempt to contain the blaze. The footage you are witnessing was captured in the early hours of September 10th, precisely at 1 a.m. This particular truck was part of a fleet mobilized that night. Although they were driving on a road near the fire, the prevailing wind direction worked against them, causing the flames to swiftly overwhelm their position. Eventually, they managed to reach a clearing and escape the advancing inferno, a fortunate outcome that eluded some of the other trucks. Regrettably, a few vehicles suffered significant damage, while one driver sustained burns to his hands. Remarkably, all the firefighters emerged from the ordeal unharmed. It was not until October 15th that the fire was finally brought under complete control, marking its containment. Number 4. A daring escape. The dashcam footage originates from a pickup truck in Chile. As the driver merged onto a highway on-ramp, they proceeded ahead. Suddenly, the leading vehicle began applying its brakes. The doors of the halted vehicle swung open, revealing 2 individuals, one of whom brandished what appeared to be a firearm. Faced with no alternative, the driver made a bold decision to forge ahead. With forceful determination, the pickup truck managed to push the assailant's vehicle far enough, granting the driver an opportunity to enter the highway. Throughout the encounter, the brake lights of the attacker's vehicle were intermittently illuminated, though this exerted a minimal impact on the relentless progress of the pickup truck. Number 5. A close driver's call. In Massachusetts, on a highway, a man named Jeffrey Code was engrossed in his drive. Suddenly, a sizable chunk of ice dislodged from the car ahead and soared through the air. With alarming velocity, the ice slab crashed into Jeffrey's windshield, shattering it instantly. Deprived of visibility, Jeffrey cautiously maneuvered his vehicle to the side of the road. Despite the ordeal, he escaped unharmed, fortunate that the ice slab hadn't penetrated the windshield entirely, instead leaving behind fractures spanning its entire surface. Furthermore, the impact inflicted damage to a side mirror and the windshield wipers. Thank you for watching this compilation of extreme incidents captured on dashcam footage. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more thrilling content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more volumes of heart-pounding dashcam moments. Drive safely and be prepared for whatever the road may bring.